Ayan guys, time check, 12:22 in the evening. So, since sanay na po tayo na dapat before matulog, uminom po tayo ng JC Organic Barley. So, I have JC here. And napakaganda nito guys kasi ang ilagay natin is fresh milk. Ayan. Chill. So, naglagay lang ako ng 2 cubes na ice. And of course, natay amino collagen. Actually guys, minimix ko talaga to siya. Amino collagen. Ayan. Minimix ko siya guys. Sobrang sarap. So, barley plus amino collagen and of course, fresh milk. Imagine ha. Imagine guys. Kung siya kami pamatang. Tapos ice lang. 2 cubes. And this is it. Yeah. Sobrang sarap nito.
Fresh milk, at saka barley and amino collagen.
Sobrang sarap ng tulog nito. Cheers to the good life! As in, sobrang sarap.